Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's try the addition and subtraction using Abacus tool. 5426. First represent 5426. Now add 9419. To add 9000 we have to add it here, but the beads are not available, so use the big friends formula, which is plus 10 minus 1. Minus 1 is not directly available, so use the combination formula, which is plus 10 minus 5 plus 4. Now we need to add 4. To add 4 we can use the small friends formula, which is plus 5 minus 1. Now we can add 1 directly. To add 9, the beads again, they are not available, so we have to use the big friends formula, that is plus 10 minus 1. Plus 10 minus 1. Now we need to minus 4. To minus 4 we can use the small friends formula, which is minus 5 plus 1. Now add 187. So we have to start from here. To add 100, it is direct, we can do it directly. To add 80, we have to use the big friends formula because the beads are not available. The big friend formula for plus 8 is plus 10 minus 2. To add plus 10 here, the beads are not available, so I'm going to jump this rod and I'm going to add 10 here. To add 10 here, I have to use the small friends formula, which is plus 5 minus 4. And then I have to get back to this rod to complete the formula, which is minus 2. We did plus 10 and then minus 2. And remember that we have jumped this rod. We are going to remove everything from this rod. Now I need to add 7 here. I can add 7 directly. So the answer to this question is 1, 5, 0, 2, 8. That is 15,028. I hope this video was helpful. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.